Cotton. USA Grown Buckwheat Hull fill provides great support for your neck. Assembled in the USA. 100% pure cotton cover. Durable yet comfortable. 14x 6 by 6 inches cylinder shape provides great support for your neck and shoulders. Zipper opening allows you to easily add or remove hulls to create your perfect level of support. Top reviews from the United States. Surprisingly comfy. Someone on Reddit recommend buckwheat pillows. This came with waaaaay too much stuffed inside, which is good. I wanted a very flat pillow, so I removed about half the buckwheat. It feels great, holds my head the right way during sleep. Great for traveling. It can be a good little noisy when you move around but doesn't wake up my partner.